Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. I'm grateful that you would join me today. If you've been feeling like it's been hard to be you, difficult to navigate the unfolding of circumstances, relationships, work, school, feeling stressed, lonely, tired, restless, anxious, or perhaps even joyous. Whatsoever you feel is A-okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, or you can lie down if you like. Noticing discomfort, becoming aware of irritability, frustration, anxiousness, witnessing and welcoming all of this like old friends. Close your eyes, tuning deeper into the sound. Letting go of the past. The past is past. It's gone. New opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to move on. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Natural to feel a bit restless or uncomfortable. Just witnessing that. As you drop the shoulders, relax the belly, relax your face, and breathe into your heart. And exhale from the heart. Chest opening as you breathe into the chest and exhaling, pushing the belly outwards, Breathing in fully and completely. And every cell in your body, exhale, releasing, letting go of stress. Breathing in compassion for the pain. And exhale, letting go of anger, shame, guilt. Coming back into forgiveness. Breathing in. And breathing out. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat as you breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale. And exhale, release. Inhaling, trust. Exhale, let go of insecurities. Breathing in faith. And breathing out negativity, self-doubt. Breathing in balance. And exhale, feeling present. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhale, let go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out, letting go of any anger that's still inside. Saying goodbye to anger, just for now. Coming back into patience. Having patience with yourself, having patience with others, having patience with the unfolding of life as you breathe in. Breathe out. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Pushing your belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. You're safe to close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, witnessing and welcoming thoughts, emotions, sensations, very gently, very lovingly. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, let go. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath. And tensing the body, squeezing down on the fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense. Everything as tense as possible. Tense, tense, tense. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. And again, taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And tense. Squeeze down on your fist. Squeeze down on your jaw. Tense. Everything tense as possible. Tense, tense, tense. And exhale, let go. And letting go of thoughts, relaxing the hands, relaxing your jaw, relaxing the belly, relaxing the fingers and toes, relaxing your forehead, relaxing the eyes as you look in, welcoming yourself as you are. The color for today is red. The number is 50. And the animal is a piglet. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. So happy you would join me today, my friend. Breathing in some love for yourself. And exhaling love for this life. Breathing in strength. And exhale, feeling grounded. Feeling yourself rooted in this moment. As you breathe in peacefulness. And exhale, letting go of inner conflict. Coming back into faith that you can overcome all of these challenges. You got this. Becoming aware of your body. Having love for your body as it is. Having thankfulness for all that your body and mind does. making friends with your mind, making friends with your body. Letting go of past, letting go of future, becoming aware of your awareness itself as you breathe in. Hold. And exhale. Relaxing the face, bringing a smile, knowing that you go beyond all these anxieties and insecurities, frustrations, despair, loneliness. Making an effort today to witness the pain as something separate from yourself. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love and abundance of forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made in the past or in the upcoming future, remembering that we're not robots and that our mistakes are beautiful in their own way. They help us to learn, and without mistakes, we wouldn't be learning anything. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.